Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's talk about the main thing. And the main thing we want to talk about is WordPress, themes, and plugins. Yeah, the first thing you have to do, or the first thing you have to take care of on your WordPress website are your themes. Yeah, you only can have one theme on your website, so it has to be your themes. So the one thing you want to take care of is your themes. And where do you locate themes? You locate it in the appearance menu of your dashboard. Look at it right here. So these themes for you, and right here we have default themes that we can delete because we are not trying to use the default theme. I'm going to try to get a theme. So there are different ways you can install themes, of course, but I'm going to show you that you can only have one theme on your website, and this determines what your website looks like. So there's only one theme you can use. You can use just one theme, and if you want to add theme, you can add theme right here. And when you try to add your theme, there are two ways to go about it. And the first one is for you to get a theme from an external website. Okay, so let's say where I do get my theme from, store.creative.com. Store.creative.com. This, let's say I want to get a theme from here. For instance, I could just come right here to store.creative.com because I want to get a theme that I want to upload. That means I want to get a theme from external websites so I could upload. That is store.creative.com. Store.creative.com. This is where I do get my themes from. So right now, let's say I want to get themes and plugins. As you can see, there are a lot of themes and plugins here, but I could scroll further and see things that are here right now. So the very theme I want to use actually for this project, let's say we want to list some themes we'll be needing. So we have AIO SEO for SEO, of course. We have WP Bakery Page Builder. We have Elementor Pro. So this and this does the same thing. It's just that they are different, like they are different in terms of company and interfaces, because this one has a different interface. The WP Bakery has a different interface, but they do the same thing. So you either need this or this. So same as this AIO SEO and some other SEO plugin, you only need one of these, one of SEO plugin, one of page builder, and one theme. So definitely I can easily get this theme right here. It's a premium theme, of course. Let's see. So this is the theme I want to use. Let's say this is the theme I want to use. Sway multipurpose WordPress theme. So let's say Sway multipurpose WordPress theme. Let's see what the theme is like. This is a general theme, but it's a premium theme. So when you come to the Sway website directly, you can get the theme directly from here, or you get it from a place like this. So this is less than $2, so you can get this ad rate of this. But let's see what the rate is right here. So you could see right now this is the exact theme, so you could purchase right away. So when you try to purchase on the actual website of this particular theme, you would see how much it costs. The theme is actually listed on Theme Forest, but there are websites like this very one that I do get mine from that I can get it at cheaper rates. So let's say we want to get it from Theme Forest. Let's see how much Theme Forest will be listing the theme. So right now, what I'm trying to say in essence is that if you have a theme bought from an external website, this is where you're going to be able to upload it because you got it from an external website. But we have the ones we can get. As you can see, this is $59 from the official website, but from places like this, you get it for less than $2. So that's the major difference. So that's why I get from places like this. So that besides the point. So let's close that. So if we're to get from an external website, I'm going to show you how you're going to install your theme, of course. So right now we are going to come right here. So if I search for that Sway theme on this WordPress directory, I might not get it. So let me search for Sway. Let's see if it is available on WordPress. No, it is not available. So that's why we have to get it from external website and bring it back here. But there are a lot of themes you can use. There are other themes right here on the WordPress directory you can use. As you could see, the Shopway, So there are a lot of themes right here you can use, as I've been saying, but then I have my own idea already. So we have a lot of themes right here you could use. You could choose any of those to start doing whatever you want to do. So you could scroll to search for themes. Basically, these are free themes. So you could actually search for themes so you could see what would work for you. Most of the times, I do advise you using multi-purpose themes so you could do a lot of things with it. So I don't actually use themes from places like this, but then it is necessary you have a theme on your website, basically. So like I said, we are going to get a theme. So the first thing you have to do for your website is to get a theme. Then the next thing you want to do is to get necessary plugins. And same thing as theme, when you come to your plugins, you would be able to add plugin. You click on add plugin, and when you click on add plugin, the same thing I just explained to you about theme, you can upload from an external website. For instance, you got it from this same store www.creative.com. Let's say you got one of those plugins you want to use from this very store. You can actually come back. For instance, let's say we got WP Bakery or AIOSEO. You can always come back here to upload whatever you got, and you can actually search for themes right here as well. The same Elementor has free theme that you could use, but then you can actually get the pro version right here, and it has to do with when you get it right here you just have to upload. So this is the free Elementor website builder, but I'm not installing anyone yet. I'm just explaining the whole concept to you. So that's the basic thing. So the most important features of a website you want to build on WordPress, they are themes and plugins. Your theme matter and your plugins, they matter a lot. So you have to take note of that. In the next lesson, we're going to talk more about themes and plugins to use for this very website you want to create. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.